What do you have to say about this na Anambra Apga land? You are somebody in PDP now. You know, there is...
I'm not in PDP, I'm not anywhere.
Okay.
I'm not a politician. We are people of Ayamelum. Anambra is not Apga. Anambra is Anambra. The party in power today is Apga. This Apga today, do they share the ideologies of Ojukwu, for whom we have retained Apga? We have retained Apga because of the legacies of Ojukwu. Then the Ojukwu, whose legacy we are trying to uphold, is this Apga government upholding Ojukwu's legacy. Ojukwu used the father's resources for the interest of the Igbo, just like my previous Igbo. That is what we know the Igbo to be. So this governor now, is he using his father's resources to advance the cause of Anambra? No. Is he using Anambra's resources, the one that is rightly due for and to Anambra? Is he using these resources for Anambra? No. So I don't know the correlation between the Apga of today and the Apga Ojukwu intended. So they are still reminding us that Anambra is Apga Kabunkai as a sentiment because they have failed. When they fail, they begin to look for sentiment. You begin to hear things like where you come from. What does where you come from what does it have to do with your performance? But by this time, Soludo should not be telling us that Anambra is Apga land. He should be telling us what he has done in the last 3.5 years that warrant or that makes it deserving for him to be re-elected. You shouldn't still be telling us, Nkai. That was what you told us before we elected you. Now, show us your scorecard so we re-elect you.
Thank you.
Sentiment are for failures. When they fail, they begin to look for sentiment. P2P is popular not because he's an Igbo man, but because people think that he has some ideas that could help advance the cause of the nation. All right. So when you see people talking about where they come from or where these sentiments, know that they are wicked people who intend to manipulate the public. So assuming you are my brother, because we are of the same father, if you do something wrong, I will not say it. Those are sentiments that are unfair to mankind. So Anambra is not Apga land. If Anambra was Apga land, why have they not won election, National Assembly election? Leave that one.
Mana, he's saying that this is his turn, and today he's our president. Somebody told us Emiloko, not on Yaveha. But today is our president, so sentiments have a place in politics somehow, don't you think?